Hello traders, just a quick update as I posted in the morning that we are waiting for the market where it was to go into the OTE or the optimum trade entry zone. After that we are supposed to be selling this at least 100 pips down. So it just finished doing what it's supposed to do. Then we are waiting for this market to come down. Now I mentioned one thing, that there is another important zone that we need to consider up here. There is the ADR, the average daily range high. If it breaks this level, we'll be waiting for it to come to average daily range before it starts coming down here. Alright, so that's just one thing to look out to, but we know in this zone today is a very good zone to sell the market. This is GBP USD, the same with Euro USD. It has the same setup here. It passed through the ADR rule. Alright, we've got the ADR high up there. Euro USD and GBP USD, they move almost the same. So I mentioned that we might clear this zone. If we clear this, that means we'll be reaching for ADR high. If we reach for ADR high, then we'll be coming down. If we happen to miss this zone, that means we'll be clearing this zone down here. That means we'll come to ADR low. So we are looking at these two zones, this zone and that zone, like we had put our Fibonacci before, from here to there, and we were getting this zone as the optimum trade entry zone for sell trade. So hope you are following, and we'll keep updates late after this trade is done, as we are waiting for it to drop down from here. We're waiting for it to drop down to this zone. Alright, so we'll update you. This is a quick update. This is Herbert signing out from Make Money Online FX. Like, share, subscribe to our updates. Keep trading, make money online. Bye.